Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Just need to go back to app data. Double click on the local folder. Select this view tab on the top and select show. And you just need to make sure to check mark hidden items just like this. Check mark it, and now you can able to see icon cache. Just right click on it and select delete it, and now you just need to close stuff here and right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Just need to scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart, and now your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.